Hi everyone, this is Diana with Mirapath, and we're doing our Thought Leader series today with Mr. Brandon Ewing from Server Technology. Welcome,
Good afternoon. Thank you.
Brandon is president of Server Technology, and to my knowledge, Server Technology is one of the first companies to come up with an intelligent power strip. So I was a little curious about how that started.
So, history of the company, 30 plus years ago, we were a software company, and somebody mentioned a feature to us where they wanted to control power on and off to remote computers. So we built a phone-activated telephone switch, and from that it's grown into the family of cabinet-level PDUs that you see in the marketplace today.
Well, you guys are way ahead of your times. Phone activated, who would have known?
Pretty crude technology today, but 30 years ago, doing a action with a telephone line, it's created some wonderful opportunities for us.
Awesome. Well, in looking at our industry today, what are some of the trends that you see kind of affecting our business and especially the power business?
Well, data centers are a dynamic marketplace, constantly changing. You've got the growth of hyperscale. You got people going into the cloud, coming out of the cloud. We see those all as wonderful opportunities to continue to build great products for customers, and really basing that on understanding what people are trying to do with the technology that we provide.
Right. What specifically is sort of guiding, what trends are guiding the way that you design the power strip itself?
For us, we don't really design a product for a specific application. A lot of what we're designing towards is based on what customers are trying to do in the marketplace. So by doing a good job of listening to our customers and understanding what they're trying to do with cabinet level monitoring, we're really designing products around that. So whether it's increased density, more technology, trying to get more information out of the product, we're really basing our designs around what the customer requirements are coming from the marketplace.
Is there something specific that you can share with us around like a latest project, something that you thought was cool?
Sure. So for us, we're constantly innovating around density. We know that equipment cabinets are going to have to support higher loads, higher number of IT assets in the cabinet. So we're really looking at ways where we can condense the size of our product and increase the capability of adding more power in the same footprint.
Okay, got it. Which leads me to this other question around a lot of our customers, you probably encountered that as well, the CIO, the VP of infrastructure might see the cabinet power strip as a commodity. So how do you answer that or address their concerns or opinions?
Well, so we really think that starts to become a slippery slope. The last piece of equipment between the IT asset and whatever's being provided across the internet or wherever the application is the PDU. So it's the last piece of copper between the IT asset and the power infrastructure for the data center. So if there's problems at that level in the PDU, there's going to be problems throughout the entire power chain. So we really think and based our business on having high quality PDUs for our customers so they don't have to worry about that last piece of copper from their IT asset to the PDU.
Right. So it's really like, a lot of times I use this analogy about powering your Ferrari with a home battery, right? Like, would you really power your... If I were to remove all the branding from the Server Tech power strip, how could I tell that it is a Server Tech power strip?
So we really think there's two iconic things about Server Technology products. One has been the 8-segment LED display that we've had on our products for the last 17 plus years. Wow. We really think that denotes a Server Technology product in the marketplace. And the newest piece would be our HDOT, our high density outlet technology, which has the shroud around the receptacles removed so that we can have higher density capability in the same footprint with our PDU.
That's great. I didn't know that. Now I could see a Server Tech. I could know a Server Tech in the dark with the LED in some ways.
It's absolutely correct. That LED is always up and running. We have many customers tell us that when they walk the aisles, just being able to see that LED, they don't have to open the equipment cabinet door, they don't have to push any buttons on the PDU, and they can get an instantaneous reading on the amperage being used inside of that cabinet.
Right, which is helpful just to make sure it's balanced and so forth.
Absolutely.
Right. So Brandon, I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Pick the first thing that comes to mind, all right?
Very good.
Outlet metering or outlet switched?
High density sophistication.
That was neither one of those choices. Troublemaker. Branch reading or line reading?
Branch reading.
All right. He doesn't follow instructions, so I'm worried about asking other questions.
Can't be an entrepreneur and follow instructions well.
Steel or aluminum?
Steel.
First word that comes to mind when you think about Mirapath?
Tenacious.
I like that. Now, the question of the day, tell us something different or unique about you for people that might not know about you.
Yeah, unique thing about me, busy father with 8-year-old twins, running a large business up in Reno, Nevada. Active lifestyle. A lot of great time outdoors with my family while being able to continue to grow a business like Server Technology.
Great. I know he has a big yacht, so anybody call Brandon if you want to be in Lake Tahoe.
I have an awesome paddle board. As many of you that can fit, come on board.
Well, thank you so much, Brandon, for doing this with us today. I appreciate it. Follow us on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Mirapath and Server Technology, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.